Now we see a definition of Euler circuits. Let G be a graph. An Euler circuit for G is a circuit that contains every vertex and every edge of G. So इसमें ये कंडीशन है कि एक ऐसे सर्किट हम बनाना है हमें जिसमें तमाम वर्टिसेस जो हैं वो शामिल हों और इसी तरह तमाम एजेस जो हैं वो कम से कम एक दफ़ा ज़रूर यूज़ हों. That is, an Euler circuit for G is a sequence of adjacent vertices and edges in G that has at least one edge, starts and ends at the same vertex, uses every vertex of G at least once, and uses every edge of G exactly once. So, जो edges हम यहाँ पे यूज़ करेंगे एक सर्किट बनाने के लिए वो exactly एक दफ़ा इस्तेमाल होने चाहिए, लेकिन जो vertices हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं वो रिपीट हो सकते हैं. Now we see a theorem. If a graph has an Euler circuit, then every vertex of the graph has positive even degree. And the contrapositive version of the above theorem is, if some vertex of a graph has odd degree, then the graph does not have an Euler circuit. So हम डिग्रीज की मदद से ये बात बता सकते हैं कि इसमें आइलर सर्किट जो है वो मौजूद होगा या नहीं होगा. अगर किसी ग्राफ में किसी वर्टेक्स की डिग्री ऑड है तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि उस ग्राफ में आइलर सर्किट जो है वो नहीं पाया जाएगा. शो दैट द ग्राफ बिलो डज नॉट हैव एन आइलर सर्किट. तो इसको शो करना बहुत सिंपल है, बिकॉज वी हैव लर्न फ्रॉम द अबव थ्योरम that we need to see a vertex of degree odd degree. अब अगर हम इस वर्टेक्स V2 को देखें तो इसकी डिग्री इवन है जो कि 4 है, लेकिन अगर हम V3 की तरफ देखें तो इसकी डिग्री जो है वो 3 है. और यहीं से हम बता सकते हैं कि क्योंकि इसमें एक वर्टेक्स ऑड डिग्री का मौजूद है तो इट डज नॉट कंटेन एन आइलर सर्किट. Now we see how to find an Euler circuit. Check that the graph below has an Euler circuit, then use the algorithm to find an Euler circuit for the graph. Observe that degree of A is equal to degree of B is equal to degree of C is equal to degree of F, G and I and J is equal to 2, and that degree of D, E, H are 4. So all the vertices have even degree and the graph is connected. So this graph has an Euler circuit. To construct an Euler circuit using the algorithm, let V is equal to A and let C be A, B, C, D, A. So we see here A, B, C, D, A. C is represented by the labeled edges shown below. And now see that C is not an Euler circuit for the graph, but that C intersects the rest of the graph at D. Now let C prime be DE, GHI, GHJID. So we are moving from D to E and then to G and then H and J, I and D. We now set C is equal to C prime, and then C is represented by the labeled edges shown below. Observe that C is not an Euler circuit for the graph, but that it intersects the rest of the graph at E. So the rest of the graph is now present here, and it intersects it at E and H. Now we form another circuit C double prime, which is starting from E, E, F, H, E, and patch C prime into C to obtain A, B, C, D, E, G, E, F, H, E, G, H, J, I, and D, and then towards A. Since C includes now every edge of the graph exactly once, C is an Euler circuit for the graph. Now we see here what is Euler trails. So here is the theorem. A graph G has an Euler circuit if and only if G is connected and every vertex of G has positive even degree. Let G be a graph and V and W be two distinct vertices of G. An Euler trail from V to W is a sequence of adjacent edges and vertices that starts at V and ends at W, passes through every vertex of G at least once, and traverses every edge of G exactly once. So वही डेफिनेशन जो हम सर्किट के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, उसमें अगर क्लोज्ड वॉक की बात ना की जाए और वर्टिसेस जो हैं वो कम से कम एक दफ़ा इस्तेमाल हों और एजेस एग्जैक्टली एक दफ़ा यूज़ हों और दो डिस्टिंक्ट वर्टिसेस पे स्टार्ट और एंड हो रहे हों, तो ऐसी वॉक को हम आइलर ट्रेल कहते हैं. So let G be a graph and let V and W be two distinct vertices of G. There is an Euler path from V to W if and only if G is connected, V and W have odd degree, and all other vertices of G have positive even degree. So there will be an Euler path from V to W. अगर G connected हो और जो स्टार्टिंग और एंडिंग वर्टिसेस हैं उनकी डिग्रीज ऑड हों और बाकी तमाम वर्टिसेस जो उसमें मौजूद हैं उन सब की डिग्रीज जो हैं वो इवन हों. So here is an example in which we find an Euler trail. The floor plan shown below is for a house that is open for public viewing. Is it possible to find a trail that starts in room A, ends in room B, and passes through every interior doorway of the house exactly once? If so, find such a trail. So we need to start from A and we need to end at B using all the rooms. And once we have entered some room, we cannot go back and we cannot use the entrance twice, but we can use the room twice. So we can see here that the only possibility is from getting into the room G is from here, and there is no other door opening in some other room. And then from G we can only move to H. Now we have to see that we have some possibilities here, so that we must go to each room using the exit once, using the entrance exactly once. Now from H we can move to the room F, and from F we can move to the room E, and from E we can again, using the different entrance, we can move to H, and then we can move to I, and using again the another entrance we can move into the room E, and now we can move to the room K, and from here we can move to the room J, and then to the room D, and from here we can move in C, and finally we can reach B. So we have seen here that we have used this H room 3 times. It is repeated, but each entrance is used once. So there is only one edge from every room to the other room. So from G to H there is only one edge, and from H to F we can see that we have only one edge, and so from each 2 rooms we have only exactly one edge, but the rooms can be used twice or thrice. So this is the trail definition according to the definition of trail. Here is the solution. Now we see another definition regarding circuits, which is Hamiltonian circuits. Given a graph G, a Hamiltonian circuit of G is a simple circuit that includes every vertex of G. That is, a Hamiltonian circuit for G is a sequence of adjacent vertices and distinct edges in which every vertex of G appears exactly once, except for the first and the last, which are the same. So ये इस तरह का सर्किट है हैमिल्टोनियन सर्किट कि इसमें एक वर्टेक्स से स्टार्ट लेंगे और हम मूव करते जाएंगे और हर वर्टिसेस को लाजमी तौर पे एक दफ़ा विज़िट करेंगे, एंड देन वी मूव बैक टू द इनिशियल वर्टेक्स, और जितनी भी एजेस हम यूज़ करेंगे वो भी एक दफ़ा ही इस्तेमाल होनी चाहिए. देयर विल बी नो रेपिटेशन ऑफ एजेस. Note that although an Euler circuit for a graph G must include every vertex of G, it may visit some vertices more than once and hence may not be a Hamiltonian circuit. So the difference between Hamiltonian circuit and the Euler circuit is that the Hamiltonian circuit visits the vertices exactly once. On the other hand, a Hamiltonian circuit for G does not need to include all the edges of G and hence may not be an Euler circuit. और इसी तरह Euler circuit से एक और डिफरेंस इसमें पाया जाता है कि इसमें तमाम edges का पाया जाना ज़रूरी नहीं है. So there is a theorem regarding Hamiltonian circuits. If a graph G has a Hamiltonian circuit, then G has a subgraph H with the following properties. H contains every vertex of G. H is connected. H has the same number of edges as vertices. Every vertex of H has degree 2. So अगर किसी ग्राफ G में एक हैमिल्टोनियन सर्किट है तो उसमें एक ऐसा सब ग्राफ होगा H जिसमें हर वर्टेक्स जो है G का वो पाया जाएगा. H जो है वो कनेक्टेड होगा और H में सेम नंबर ऑफ एजेस होंगे जितने वर्टिसेस होंगे, एंड एवरी वर्टेक्स ऑफ H हैज डिग्री 2 और हर वर्टेक्स की डिग्री जो है वो 2 होगी. So G में एक सबग्राफ H ऐसा पाया जाएगा जिसमें तमाम वर्टिसेस हों G के, और H जो है वो कनेक्टेड भी होगा और उसकी सेम नंबर ऑफ एजेस होंगी एज द नंबर ऑफ वर्टिसेस, एंड एवरी वर्टेक्स ऑफ H हैज डिग्री 2. नाउ शो दैट द ग्राफ डज नॉट हैव a Hamiltonian circuit. Prove that the graph G shown below does not have a Hamiltonian circuit. So if G has a Hamiltonian circuit, then by previous theorem G has a subgraph H that contains every vertex of G, is connected, has the same number of edges as vertices, and is such that every vertex has degree 2. So अगर हम ये चीज़ सपोज कर लें कि इस ग्राफ G में एक सब ग्राफ है H जिसमें ये तमाम के तमाम वर्टिसेस पाए जाते हैं और वो कनेक्टेड भी है, और हर वर्टेक्स की जो डिग्री है वो इवन है और वो 2 है, और उसमें सेम नंबर ऑफ एजेस एंड वर्टिसेस हैं. देयर मस्ट बी 5 edges. We need to find 5 edges so that A, B, C, D, E are connected. So what will be those edges? So after choosing from E to A and B to C and D, we see that the number of edges here are 1, 2, 3 and 4, and when we try to take another edge, the vertex B will be repeated, and also we can see that the degree of all the vertices is not 2. For A it is 2, for B it is 2, and C has 2 degree, but for D and E we can see that these two have 1 degree. So we cannot find a subgraph of G with all these given properties, and hence there will be no Hamiltonian circuit in this graph.